Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Sofia and I'll be guiding you through this video. Today we're going to be doing the Neuro-Modeling Algorithm. This algorithm helps create new perceptions, self-confidence, and positive beliefs aimed at achieving a goal. This method is often used to overcome inner barriers, manage anxiety, or find inspiration and clarity for action. For example, it can be applied if you want to improve relationship with loved ones, feel more confident, or tackle uncertainty about an important decision. So let me help you by showing this algorithm step by step. So the first thing you do is you grab a piece of paper and your marker, and then you set a goal. Understand what you want to work on. The goal can be specific, like I want to be more confident in public speaking, or general, like I want harmonious relationship with colleagues. The key is that the goal is meaningful and creates an emotional connection. So the first step in the drawing is you draw long intersecting lines on paper, like this. These lines will be the basic of your drawing. And try to make the lines smooth and natural, like branches or water streams. This process symbolically helps release thoughts and feelings connected to your goal. And you just do them however you like. When you feel like it's enough, you do the next step, and that is to round all the sharp corners. Each corner can be seen as an obstacle, so by rounding them, we remove fear or doubt. So by rounding them, we create harmony. So the next step is integrating colors. So begin with coloring areas you like with different colors. Choose colors that give you a sense of comfort and joy. This step symbolizes acceptance and harmony towards your goal. So an important step in coloring is that you always color 2 sections minimum. So yeah, that's just important to note, because if you do every single section, as I call them, a different color, it's just gonna be messy and it's not gonna look so harmonic, I guess. At least that's what I've learned. Now we're done with coloring, and the next step is to highlight figures. So you just look at your drawing and you try to find figures. Like it can be circles, squares, and triangles. Circles can represent wholeness, triangles dynamic change, and squares stability. So trust your intuition and find these figures. And then you just highlight them with your marker. If you have a hard time finding any shapes, you can also turn your paper. Maybe it will help you get another perspective. Then you round the corners. And remember, with triangles, you only need to round off the inside of the triangle, so it's okay with the sharp edge. Okay, when you're done highlighting all the figures that you can find and that you find it enough, you take a red marker, and then we're gonna make these lines from one side to another, and they're representing like a flow of energy. And you just make like 1 to 3 of them. Now you return to your goal and ask yourself, what has changed in my feelings? And reflect and analyze what you have learned and thought about. This algorithm helps not just in drawing and illustration. It creates inner changes that support us in consciously moving towards our goals. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.